The bandage production factories Medtech Swiss Limited and Technomedica LLC, members of the Swiss Commercial and Industrial Corporation Medpac Swiss Group, pays special attention to the quality of their goods. The factories specialize in the manufacturing of medical goods for support, rehabilitation and comfort, including cervical collars, posture supports, sacral lumbar supports, post-surgical supports, abdominal binders, hernia supports, upper and lower extremity supports, maternity supports, elastic bandages and much more under Medtextile and Dr. Fry trademarks. Medtextile's brand portfolio has both in-demand bandages and bandages with special purposes. Its current line of bandages is constantly tested and improved based on the recommendations of leading experts. The most recent studies performed by leading experts in the field of orthopedics, traumatology, gynecology, physical therapy and rehabilitation are the foundation of production. Cyclical turnaround is integrated into the process flowsheet, including all stages from drafting and raw materials manufacturing to the output of finished products. Factory's garment section is equipped with innovative automatic knitting machinery from the well-known Swiss company Jacob Müller AG, a source of pride for any garment manufacturer, and German company Harry Lucas Textile Maschinen GmbH. At the factories, uncompromising quality is the primary goal. Thus, all of their departments outfitted with the latest technology from the world's most highly regarded firms. Production machinery is serviced by experienced staff trained at the Müller Center in Frick, Switzerland. Factory's high production capacity derives from their wide ranges of special and universal machines. Because of this equipment, the factories have their own high-quality raw materials and are independent of elastic and belt ribbon, as well as lacing and edging material suppliers. All materials used in production go through a three-stage quality control process and have corresponding certificates. Production quality is inspected at in every stage of the manufacturing process. 100% of finished products go through a final stage of quality control according to the pre-production samples. Products are only packed once their quality has been guaranteed. Medtech Swiss Limited and Technomedica have implemented the quality management system in accordance with international standard protocols ISO 9001-2008 and certification ISO 13485-2012 Medtech Swiss Limited and ISO 13485-2003 Technomedica LLC accordingly. The manufacturing process is further certified under European and Ukrainian specifically Conformité European CE Certificate of Conformity. According to the requirements of the production process, quality control is carried out in three stages. First, an inspection test, second, a walkthrough, and finally control as defined by the international certificates. Every year, Medtech Swiss Limited and Technomedica LLC take part in major trade shows in Europe, Asia and Africa and have corresponding certificates and diplomas. The main advantages of Medtech Swiss Limited are location of the factory in the European Union, all-in-one service from the concept to a new product, industrial design and artworks, short manufacturing and delivery terms, wide range of articles that can be used immediately for any OEM products. Among the other advantages of both factories are certification and quality control according to international standards and requirements ISO 9001, ISO 13485 CE marking, best price quality correlation and optimal payment conditions, flexible minimum order quantity, best logistics solutions, opportunity of door-to-door delivery in smaller quantities, quick response to the customer needs, innovative breathable materials, different variants of package, boxes, bags, blisters, manufacture of semi-finished products, binding bands, belts, trimming, etc. Because of modern equipment, up-to-date materials and advanced technology, we can consistently guarantee the high quality of goods. Comprehensive approach to process management, stringent three-stage control, attractive packaging and competitive prices allow it to compete with leading companies in the medical equipment field.